Ready? It's recording.
This one.
This side?
Yeah. Are you gonna do it really fast right through?
Yes.
Alright, open your mouth.
I'm good.
What do you mean you're fucking good? You need to open your mouth.
Alright, you have to just open your mouth. Ready?
Are you videoing it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's gonna hurt so bad.
No, it won't. Seriously. We will tell you what to do.
It's gonna hurt.
We'll tell you. Alright,
Don't say that.
be calm. We'll tell you what to do. Ready?
What do you mean ready? She's not opening her mouth.
You have to open your mouth. Just go.
Like you're kissing someone.
Here, just take it and do it.
Alright.
Okay.
Taylor,
Okay.
you can't laugh. Seriously, because it could get fucked
And
up.
I need to grab your fucking lip, okay? What?
Tell when you can do it so I can stop breathing.
We'll tell you what to do because you have to take a deep breath.
Can I just like fucking get ready before? Alright.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh wait, it's like on my. It's like no, it was on my lip. It was right here.
Motherfucker. This is gonna be
It's
bullshit.
fine, dude. Seriously.
Okay,
now,
go.
shh.
I have sweaty hands.
I'll just lay there.
Can I grab someone?
Grab Crystal. Grab the cameraman. Quit pointing that at her boobs.
Sorry, they're kind of attracting.
Mine are
Kidding.
bigger.
Go ahead.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Hold on. Don't fucking move.
Is it through?
Yep.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Look at that.
Look how amazing that looks.
I didn't even
Look
know
at that piercing job. Christy is a fucking amazing, okay?
That did not
Alright.
even hurt. That did I didn't
Christy's a
even feel
fucking
it.
amazing.
Yeah, my piercer. All right, ready? Say bye.
Bye. Bye.